Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is lesson 22. And we will know about the preposition of time today. And today we will know the use of in, on and at. So let's start our class. And dear students, all of you can take your book and you can go to page number 69. So what is preposition of time? Preposition of time allows us to discuss a specific time period such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. That means preposition of time tell us the time of a action. That means when the action takes place. And now look, my dear students, today we will know about the use of on, in and at. That means when we use on and when do we use in and when do we use at. We use on before days and dates. For example, on Sunday, on Thursday, on Wednesday, on Saturday, like this. And on 17th August, that means on dates, it's a date. On 17th August or on on 23rd July or on June, like this. On my birthday, on Independence Day, on Eid Day. So those are the days. That means we use on before days and dates. So if you find days or date in a sentence, you will use on in your sentence. Now in, we use in for a longer period, that means which is more than one day. Now look, in January, so there are 30 days in this month, that means it is more than one day. So we will use in front of January, in August, in July, in June, in February, in September, in November, in December, like this. And in summer, in autumn, that means if you use season, name of the season, you will use in front of the season. That means it is a longer period of time. Now in before year, we use in, like 2020, in 1971. That means before year you will use in. So we use in for a longer periods of time, like in January, in August, in summer, in autumn, in 2020, in 1971, or in 2012 or 2015 or 1999, etc. Now we will know the use of at. We use at to show the time of a day. That means a time of a day, that means a short time of a day. When you mention a short time of a day or a particular time of a day, you will use at. Now look, at 10:30 a.m. or at 9 p.m. or at 6 o'clock. So if you mention at 9 a.m. or at 12 p.m. or at 1 o'clock, you will use at in front of the time. Or at sunset, that means it is a part of a day. At noon, at midnight, so those are the parts of a day. So you will use at in front of the time of a day. That means we use at when at is used for precise time. That means a short period of time, and when you mention the period of time, that means a part of a time, we use at. And in is used for months, years and long periods of time, that means which are more than one day, we use in. And on is used for days and dates. So when we use days and date, we will use on in front of those words. Now my dear students, all of you go to page 69 of your book. So what's written there? In, on, at, prepositions of time. Read these sentences. Now look, there are some sentences about Dr. Ramu. So let's read. Ramu is a Doctor. He wakes up at 5 o'clock every morning. Now look, he wakes up at 5 o'clock every morning. So 5 o'clock is a part of a day. So we use at in front of 5 o'clock. On Sunday, he wakes up at 7 o'clock. Now look, on Sunday. So Sunday is the name of a day. We use on in front of Sunday. And he wakes up at 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock is a part of the Sunday, the time of the day. So use at in front of 7 o'clock. He leaves for work at 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is the part of a day. So that's why we use at in front of 8 o'clock. His birthday is in March. So March is more than one day. That means it is a longer period of time. So that's why in is used in front of March. Now in summer, he wears cotton clothes, and we use in front of summer because it is a longer period of time. It is a season, name of a season. So we use in front of summer. In winter, he wears woolen clothes. So in winter, that means winter is also a season. That means it's a long period of time. So we use in front of winter. So in, at, on show the day, the month, the year, the season, and the time of the action. So that's why those prepositions are called preposition of time. So now we will do exercise number 1. Complete this paragraph about Anil's family. Let's read. Both my father and my mother get up dash 6 o'clock in the morning. So both my father and my mother get up dash 6 o'clock in the morning. So 6 o'clock in the morning, that means it is a part of the morning or it is part of a day. So what will you use here? Yes, you are right. So we will write here at 6 o'clock. Now look, the next sentence, they leave for work dash 8 o'clock. So they leave for work at dash 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is also the time of a day. So what will you use here? In or on? No, we will use here at. You are right, we will use here at. They leave for work at 8 o'clock. I leave for school dash 8:30. So this is also a time of a day. So what will you use here? Yes, we will write here at. I leave for school at 8:30. Now number 4, dash Sunday, we stay at home. So dash Sunday, so this is the name of the day. So what will you write here? Yes, we will write here on. On Sunday, we stay at home. Now number 5, dash summer, we go to school early. Now look, dash summer, summer is the longer period of time. So what will you write here? And we know that if you mention the name of the season, so what will you use here? In. It's so there will be in front of summer. So in summer we go to school early. Now number 6, dash winter, school starts late. So winter is also the name of the season and it is a long period of time. So what will be there? Yes, my dear students, there will be in. So in winter, school starts late. Now next sentence, we eat watermelons and mangoes dash summer. So number 7, now look, we eat watermelons and mangoes dash summer. So again there is summer. So this is the name of the season and long periods of time. So number 7 will be in. Now look, my dear students, and number 8, and dash winter we drink hot soup. So winter is also the name of the season and it is the long period of time. So we write here in. So my dear students, let's read the paragraph again. Both my father and my mother get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. They leave for work at 8 o'clock. I leave for school at 8:30. On Sunday, my dear students, now look, here I write at this at, and now look number 3 at in a small letter, but now I start on with capital letter because it is the start of the sentence. That's why I write on with capital letter. So on Sunday we stay at home. In summer, so it is also the beginning of a sentence. We use capital letter at the beginning of in the beginning of a sentence. That's why I write I in capital letter. So in summer we go to school early. Now in winter school starts late. We eat watermelons and mangoes in summer, and in winter we drink hot soup. So there are 8 blanks. We have fill up all the blanks. So my dear students, this exercise will be your homework. Now look, there is homework number 8 from lesson 22, exercise number 1. Only answer. I repeat, you will write only answer. You don't need to copy the whole paragraph. You will just write the answer of those 8 blanks in your HW copies. So my dear students, today we have learned about the preposition of time. That means we have learned about the use of in, on and at. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. My dear students, do your homework regularly, and you will submit your homework on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And it's very important, your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework. So practice a lot and study regularly. Listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.